Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking. So guys, today I'm gonna make some oatmeal porridge. So guys, right now in my pot I have some walnut milk that I freeze. So I just put it in some water and I'm gonna let this boil and melt out. After it melt out, guys, I'm gonna put the oatmeal to cook, guys. So guys, watch the process, guys, as we do this. So guys, you can juice blend out some milk, your nuts, and juice them, freeze them, and when you're ready to use them, you could use them to make porridge or a smoothie, whatever you want. So guys, today I'm going to make some oatmeal porridge. So watch the process, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to put some cinnamon. Yes, I like when my cinnamon boil out in the water before. And I'm going to put some nutmeg. I know some people put their nutmeg after they make the porridge, but I'm trying a new thing. Okay, so I want the nutmeg and the cinnamon to completely dissolve in the water. Alright guys, so as we wait on this to boil up, so I could put the oats. Alright guys. So there you go guys, the cinnamon already dissolved. Now I'm going to add some salt. So when it's time to sweeten this, guys, the only thing I'm going to put in is the vanilla. So I put some salt. And I'm gonna put the oatmeal. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add the oats. I'm gonna stir this. After this boil up, guys, it's gonna get thick. You don't have to put anything in oatmeal to get it thick. You just add the oatmeal to the pot and let it stay there and boil until it gets thick, guys. So watch the process, guys. So there you go, guys. The oats is boiling and now it's getting thick. So you just have to keep stirring it until it gets completely thick, and if it's too thick, guys, you just add some boiling water. Yes guys, so I'm gonna use some condensed milk to sweeten this. Alright guys, what's the process, guys? This is almost finished cooking. Yes guys, so that's the end of the road, guys. Please comment, subscribe, and share. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick video about making oatmeal. Take care of yourself, guys. Until next time.